Okay, this is a series of 1-minute tips. So the tip today is not to put your company name on your social media pages if you represent a company in network marketing. Now, if it's your own business, absolutely you can do. Own business, it's your own shop, your trade, your profession, personal trainer, hairstylist, carpenter, window fitter, absolutely fine. But if you're in network marketing or affiliate products, do not put a link direct to that web page on your social media pages. Why? Very simply because people will click on it. Not many do, but those who do click on it will go directly to that company page and will have forgotten that you're the connection, that you're the bridge, and you won't get the commission. It is as simple as that. Now, on the other side of the coin, what you really want to be doing is adding immense value to your social media pages. So on Instagram, on your personal page, on your business page, you're giving information, content value. People get to know, like, and trust you. And then when they're interested in certain things, you will be the go-to person. So that's my top tip today. I got it in 1 minute and about 10 seconds. Please do look below. There's a link to more information to help you out with your marketing. Susan McGraby, Simplified Marketing for Real Results. So remember, absolutely no links on your social media pages. Content, information, value. Thank you very much. Have a lovely time today.